Hey, in today's video, we will discuss how to check the balance of your H&R Block Emerald card. Watch until the end of the video to learn more. Through the H&R Block website. From your browser, go to the H&R Block Emerald website at www.hrblock.com, link in the description. On the top right corner of the screen, click Sign in to My Block. Enter your username mobile and click Continue. Enter your password and click Continue. Click Finances on the top left side of the screen. Click Emerald Card Login. Enter your login details, including your username and password. On the top left corner, click the hamburger icon to reveal a menu. Click Balance. Calling customer support. Call customer support at 1-866-35312, 66 number in the description. Provide the verification details required by the customer support assistant. Details may include your account or card number, your identification number, your phone number, and any other information as requested. So there you have it. Follow these steps to check the balance of your H&R Block Emerald card. Thanks for watching.